and welcome back to my
channel.
Welcome to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to be showing my kids our new bathroom rules. They're not like rules very hard to obey or to follow, but they are going to be at least doing these few things, and we can't put all of them on a paper or on a board. We are going to try, I am going to try and explain and tell them what they are going to do. So as I showed you before, you saw the 10 habits. I don't want to call them rules, the 10 habits that I want them at least to follow this year of school. With that being said, the first one is knock before you enter. Sometimes they come running the door and they enter. I don't want that. At least we can knock. You guys hear me? Knock on the door. If someone is in, they will say, what are they going to say?
I'm in.
I'm
Occupied.
in. I am in or occupied. Then you will wait for your turn. Second one is no locking the door, and you guys know who I'm talking to right now. You know yourself. So no locking the door except 2 B's. You see over here I put 5 days. It's 5: Destiny, Debbie, Damara, Danny, and Diza. This is Brenda and Binta. Okay, they can always knock. They can lock the door. Okay, you guys know locking the door, especially when you are showering. Okay. The next one, sing ABC song while you are brushing, or you can sing the happy birthday song. Okay.
Okay.
Hey. Okay, so it's like you come here, you start brushing. This is mine, my extra one. Like this, we are brushing. You see what I did? You put a little bit of water close over here. Don't just be that's wasting water. We don't do that, okay? You brush when you are done.
In 5 minutes, shower.
No, after bend to spit. I want to show you something. Okay? Do you see that? Is it good?
No.
Okay?
I got it on me.
You see? And it goes on the mirror. So don't do that, okay? I wanted to show you so you guys know what I'm talking about. Okay? Is that funny? So bend when you spit, okay? Number 4 is clean floor and counters. You don't do this when you are done. You are done showering, taking off your clothes. Shower. You wipe yourself. After wiping yourself, no doing that. Okay? You take this away. You put them away in the dirty basket or in the laundry machine. Okay? You're not done brushing. Leave it here. This here. This. You are done using it. I don't want these things here. Okay? This has to be in here and fit in here. Or you can use the one that is here. Okay? Put it back and always remember to close this, guys. Okay? The following one is 5 minutes. What? Shower.
Debbie.
You mentioned her name. She knows herself. So when you are showering, don't take more than 5 minutes. You can take 3, 5, 4, but don't go 10 minutes because we are sharing the bathroom. Remember?
And don't go for like 1 minute. That's not even showering.
1 minute is not showering. It's just putting water on your body. The next one is shower curtain in. So when you are showering, you see, it's 2 pieces. This one you can't shower when it's out. Do you know what this is for? To catch water. Because when you spill water here, it's gonna go straight to the floor. So this one has to always be inside. So, and make sure before you shower you open it, so when the water hits the other side, it doesn't come on this side. Then when you're done, leave it inside so the water can flow. Then this one can be here, okay? Talking about that, when you use the soap, how many pumps do you use?
One.
You have to just do one time, okay? I don't want to do it right now. And don't make a mess over here. When you do one, use your brush to after you do it, okay? Keep it there. When showering this, you can use this and the bucket over there. Number 8. Who are we talking to?
This boy.
Flush and
Put the
seat down. So you don't just come here, do your business. Or you do like this. So when you're done, you don't just and go away. Remember to
flush.
When you're done with your business over here, what do you do?
Flush.
Do you flush while you are sitting, or you turn around and look at it? You're like, ew, that's green.
I flush while I'm sitting.
I don't.
I flush what I'm sitting at. I never see the color. And when you're done, where is the toilet paper?
Behind you.
I don't want the toilet paper over here. I don't want it here. Which most of the time I find it, I don't want it here. This thing is broken. We're going to try and fix it, but before then, I need this on here.
Toilet.
Come closer, listen. I need it over here. So it has to stay here, okay? The air freshener. How do you use the air freshener?
One small spray.
How do you use the air freshener?
One spray.
You do. Eh?
No, I just
No. When do you use it? When you
it
do?
stinks.
When it stinks really bad and the room is stinky, okay? You just do. That's it. This is gonna come. All of you are going to smell it. Smells so good.
It's a kitchen one.
Yeah, man. Is the kitchen one?
Yeah, it says it.
Okay.
Put the seat down.
Put the sit down. Danny, especially boys. So sometimes when you finish and this part is dirty, you have to, what do?
Clean it.
Clean it. Use this, clean it, put it away, then put the seat down. Because if you put the seat down over here, this cover is gonna get dirty and it's gonna be stinky. Or other people will come and sit in your mess. Okay? After that, what do?
Wash your hands.
Can I reach? If I jump, maybe.
Try to get down and touch it. Mom, you try to get
When you are done using the bathroom, the following thing is wash your hands, especially after you do number
2.
Number 2. How many pumps do you do?
One.
1 pump, okay? Toilet paper, air freshener in place over there. Look in the mirror and smile. Do you know why I'm telling you to look in the mirror and smile? To make sure your face is clean and your teeth are clean. So when you wake up or when you are playing or you had milk or something, fruits, snacks, you might find that you were dirty, especially your face. So the only place you can know how you look like or how your face looks is in the mirror. So I'm gonna put one of these in the room, in each of your rooms. So once you are done showering, as soon as you are done the 5 minutes, hurry up and go smear in your room. Go put mafuta in your room, okay? Okay, Lisa?
No, whatever.
Okay.
Okay. This is a bathroom or a restroom. How can you rest if this place is not clean? So our goal should be to keep this place clean. Debbie's task, she's the one doing that. You'll be taking this off, changing the calendar. This is a cool calendar, and Debbie you have been changing this for the entire summer. So cool. I thought it would look good in here every morning before you brush, change the calendar. Oh, so cute. And this gives life to the room. You see the mirrors, if they are dirty, Destiny and Debbie, Brenda and Binta, wipe this place and make sure the place looks clean. Dani too, yes. He was like, oh mommy, what about me? Okay, you're gonna be cleaning too. You're gonna be helping. Is that? Okay. Did you guys get? You can? No, you just want to play. Like right now, you see, we have this on the floor. You have to develop the sense of seeing a mess. Every time you enter, sometime you enter, and this one is here. You don't feel itchy. You don't feel itchy. Okay, like you come in here, if you see something here, just pick it and put it where? In your
the
pocket?
trash.
No, in the trash. When the trash is overflowing, what do?
Take it out.
Take it out.
It's just taking it out to close the small sachet, this plastic bag, you take it in the other big trash, okay?
Mommy.
Inside, then we take it
It's
out.
like a miniature. It's like a miniature trash can.
Yeah,
Like that other one is like
it's a
a
big
dumpster.
one. Yeah.
And then
No, that one is a
Hey, look, from this one, a
To
trash, then to
Then
the
to the
blue, and then to the big one.
Then when you come in here and you find this one over here, what do?
Put it in the corner.
Put it back.
Where it belongs. If you want to use it over here, as long as it's over here like this, it's okay. In the mirror, it's okay. On the side, it's okay. Okay?
Okay.
I cannot end this video without thanking you guys. You, the 5Ds and the 2Bs. I hope you guys make me proud and this bathroom stays clean and I won't have to do much work like this. I wish I had a bathroom this big, like a counter. Mine is simple as a baby one. So, and I try to keep it clean, don't you guys know? It's clean. So when it's overflowing here, the trash, or when you come in the bathroom, this one is here, just take it back. That's how you feel like you are growing, you are getting mature. That's what maturity means. It's when you see things that are not in place, you put them in place. And we clean the bathroom, so not mommy to feel better, not daddy to feel better, for us. What do you think when you come here and you see this? Don't you feel joy? Don't you feel happy?
Yeah.
Okay, so I hope you guys will do it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope my 5Ds and the 2Bs will keep this bathroom clean, and I hope this video is going to benefit you as well. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.